So this is the Surface Pro 7. It's a protective case. It's made by Urban Armor Gear, and it should be a strong protector for your Surface Pro. As it says, it's impact resistant. It has an adjustable stand, and it has a Surface pen holder on it. So this case can be used with the Surface Pro 7, the 6, the 5, and also the 4. So it's a strong material. It has a little tab here, so you can lock your Surface Pro with the keyboard. You can see the back of it. It's really sturdy and strong. This is the stand. And it will hold your Surface Pro in place. It looks really strong, it feels strong, and I am sure this is going to protect your Surface if you ever drop it, because it's an expensive piece of device and you want to protect that device, which is your Surface Pro. Also, there's a place here where you can place your Surface Pro pen, and it has all the right places for the buttons for the volume and the power. It just nicely snaps in there. Just press the 4 corners to make sure it's sturdy. So it fits really nice in the case. And I like this product and I would recommend it. It's a good investment, and with an expensive device like the Surface, it's great to get a case for it so it can be protected from accident if it ever falls. And it has all the places here. This is the power, the USB regular, and the USB-C. And the power is here, and the volume control. What I have here is it's a Surface Pro 7. So I would recommend this case. There's a place for the keyboard here, and it's just a snap-on. These are all magnetic. So all I have to do is snap back on the keyboard and it is snapped on. And this is how the case looks with a keyboard. And if I just close it, I can put the little tab with the string for secure, to keep it secure. So as you can see, the keyboard protects the glass side, the front side of the surface, and the case protects the other side, and it also protects the sides. So I want to thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you.